My name is Ellery Frick. I work here at Frick's Quality Meats. We are a fifth-generation family company in Washington, Missouri with one facility, and we make smoked meats for grocery retailers nationwide. We knew from experience that we didn't want to go with just anyone to design and build our expansion. In our 2018 expansion and the 2021 expansion, we worked with ESI because we wanted someone in the food industry with experience, knowing exactly how things were going to come to be in terms of the equipment and the monorail.
ESI knew we were really growing. When they did the 2018 expansion, they were already working with Dave doing scenarios about rearranging the plant in order to maximize the plant with what was here. We knew we still needed to add more capacity to the plant. We just didn't know at the time how we wanted to do it. We wanted to try to make sure every inch that we add to the plant was going to add value and provide payback. If it wasn't for ESI, we probably wouldn't have built it. You know, it's in 2020, COVID's going full strong. Nobody knows what's really going on in the world. And ESI is just like, oh, it's no big deal, we can do it. Yeah, don't worry about it. We've been through it pretty thorough, yeah, we'll be fine. Had it not been for their confidence, we probably wouldn't have done it. So we had an idea in mind, and ESI helped us with that idea on trying to get the most out of what we could as far as the available real estate to do it on. They give you the design and then they manage the build. That kind of sold me on ESI right there. That part right there was a big selling point for me. They immediately went to work, you know, started looking for turn radiuses on the semis coming in delivering the raw product. There was a lot of things that we had to accomplish in order to be able to put it where it's at. When we're doing this, we had to also continue to run. We couldn't just shut down and build it and then start back up. We had to continue operations. We had to minimize that as much as we could, and ESI did a really good job working with us on scheduling certain things, you know, to try to minimize the effect, and it went really, really smooth. It really did. When it comes to communication, ESI, they by far they're great. They're leading the way. It was more than I expected. In the food industry, food safety is our #1 concern. It's top priority. You know, we're feeding my family, your family. You know, at the beginning of the expansion, that was #1 conversation, and throughout it stayed #1.
Building a food processing facility, especially a ready-to-eat, fully cooked facility, it's not like building a standard warehouse or basic manufacturer. This building is an entire piece of equipment in itself. It's not just thinking about 4 walls and then equipment on the inside. It's integrated throughout the entire process with food safety top of mind. So that's why building with ESI was so important, to have that confidence in the food safety.